Hi, and welcome. I'm going to show you how to extend your assignments in Math with Business apps. How will you know if you need an extension? Well, once you get to your Cengage assignments, if everything is grayed out and you cannot open anything, then you missed a deadline, probably a Friday night deadline, and you need to extend that assignment. How do you do that? Quite simple. Once you're on the assignment list, you want to go to past assignments. As you look down all of this listing, you'll see past assignments on the bottom. You can click on that past assignments and it will take you to a list of assignments whose due dates have already been passed. You want to look for the assignment you need to extend. In this case, it's Introduction to WebAssign for Math with Business apps. You can click on the request extension here, or you can open this assignment. I'm going to click to open it here first. You see that the due date is passed. It's all bright red. It's not going to let you in. But up here on the right side, it does say to request that extension. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that request. It will open up a pop-up window that gives you two options: the manual extension, which are not activated for this assignment, and the automatic extension. I'm going to click on the automatic extension. The automatic extension gives me 3 days, 72 hours, that is, after you click the acceptance. So there is a maximum of 2 requests like this, and it takes no points off your overall total. So all I'm going to do is click the accept automatic extension. That gives me 3 days from the time of the request, not from the due date that was given, but 3 days from the time of the request. So I'm going to accept that automatic extension, and notice that it tells me exactly in the center here when the request was submitted, Thursday, January 15th, and the new due date, Sunday, January 18th. Notice that the times are 72 hours apart. Originally, this was due at the end of the day, but because I've requested it at 11:05 a.m., the due date will now be 11:05 a.m. All right. This is your confirmation that you have an extension on that. So I'm going to click out of there now, and I'll go back to my assignment site. So I've got to go back to my assignment. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom here and go to my assignments, one of many ways to get to it. And you will see that the list now is all blue. The hard part is that this assignment now goes in the chronological order. So rather than look for that assignment, what I suggest you do is look for the green extended here. That will help you identify where that particular assignment is. So you can work on it right now. You have 3 days. You could work on it later tonight. But if you miss the deadline 3 days from now, you'll have to go through this process again for that same assignment. All right. I can click on that. And then I can just go ahead and work through the assignment as was. I'm going to click on the correct. Which one's correct? Correct. Okay. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Reach out to your support instructor or to me, and we will get those questions answered. Thank you.